The H2 Zoom recorder is a versatile audio recorder ideal for interviews capturing ambient and wild sound in film, or as a recorder for external microphones. It is equipped with 2 AA batteries and one 16GB SD card. The unit includes a headphone jack, volume keys, power switch, external mic jack, mic gain switch, line in for external component like a CD player, USB port, tripod mount, SD card compartment, and battery compartment. On the front of the unit are recording and navigating buttons, a light to indicate play in green and record in red, and a mic active indicator on both sides. The monitor display shows a time counter for recording or playback, record status, file name, right and left level meters, battery level, and remaining recording time. First, choose your recording mode. Press the menu key and navigate with the arrow keys. I recommend a 48 kHz 16-bit wave. Choose the quality depending on the length and sophistication of the sounds you are capturing. Take note of the low cut filter. Use this filter if there are low frequencies in your audible environment that are not wanted, for example, the rumble of wind or a large appliance. To cut wind interference, the use of a windscreen is also recommended. The H2 Zoom has 4 microphone modes. Rear captures sound from the back mic using a 120-degree directivity angle. This is best for sounds from multiple sources from one side of the recorder, for example, a band playing or a group of people talking in front of a camera. Use 4-channel to record 2 stereo files, capturing sounds from all sides. This would be good in a scenario where you require surround sound. Use 2-channel to record stereo files using the mic in the front and back. This works well for recording a conversation between 2 people across a table. Record from the front to capture sound from a single source using a 90-degree directivity angle. This will cut out a lot of ambient noise. Activate the level meter by pressing the red button 1 time. Watch the levels and use headphones to set the input sensitivity to high, medium, or low. Use high if the sound source is at a distance from the microphone or if its level is low. Use medium for sounds that are relatively low to medium volume. Use low if the sound source is close to the microphone or if the sound source is loud. Further adjust the recording levels using the rewind and fast forward keys. Test your settings. Make sure that the mic active indicator on the front and rear panel does not flash when the sound source is at its maximum level. For example, the sound of a scream, a laugh, or a slamming door. Ensure that most of the sound peaks between -24 and -12 dB. Now press the red button again to start the recording, and press the red button to stop the recording. Check the recording in playback. In the menu, select File, find the recording, and select it. Play the file using the play/pause button. From here, hold down the arrow keys to rewind or fast forward, and tap the arrow keys to move to the next file or to go back to the beginning of a file. After transferring your recording using an SD card reader, format the card. Navigate the menu and select SD card. Select Format and confirm Yes. Don't forget to turn off the recorder. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to use an H2 Zoom recorder.